How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today I will be talking about the psychology of trading, and I will be giving you a little bit of a trading plan that you can download as well. So stick around to the end of the video, then I can explain the trading plan to you. Okay, psychology in trading. Trust me when I say that trading is literally 20% skill, 80% psychology. There's so much that's going on in your head when you are trading, when you have placed the trade. The fear of losing money that you've just invested in the trade, be it stock markets, be it whatever currency indice, doesn't matter. There is that amount of fear that plays into, will this trade play out? Will I make profit? Will I not? There's so much that goes on around in your head, and you need to kind of control your psychology and get to a point where when placing a trade that you are confident that it will be a winning trade, and if it is a losing trade, that you will be confident in the risk that you just placed on that trade. And that's in the sense that when you lose that trade, it's not the end of the world. It's not going to blow your account, especially when you have the correct risk in place. But I'm going to do a couple of more videos around psychology, because there's so much that you can talk about when it comes to the psychology of trading. But today I just wanted to touch on basically FOMO, the fear of missing out, and also just over trading, spending too much time on the charts, and then you're going to see things that's not there. But let's start with the FOMO effect, the fear of missing out. It's those guys that wants to be in the markets the whole time. They are placing trades left, right, and center, and then they don't realize that they just gambling, and before you know it, you blow your account, and because you're not waiting for that right setup to appear, you're not sitting on your hands basically. For that setup, I've got on my website, I've got a little saying there that your job as a trader is to wait for the trading setups that meet the criteria of your trading plan. So the big money is by sitting on your quality positions and not forcing trades out of impatience. So do not be impatient. Just sit and wait, guys. Sit on your hands. So spend your time formulating a legit trading plan instead, and then plan your trades and trade your plan. That's basically, it's such a good saying and such a good thing to think about. A couple of years ago, I had this big thing about I would just keep losing trades, and I went through this whole FOMO effect in my life, and I just wanted to be in the market, and I was scared if I don't enter this setup, I will not get another one, and I kept losing money, blowing account after account after account. And then I started realizing that, it doesn't matter if I miss the setup now, a couple of hours later, tomorrow, the next, there's always going to be another setup, another opportunity to place your trade. And the way that I fixed that thing in my life was, for a whole month, 30 days basically, I was sitting and looking at the charts. I did not trade once in that month. I was on the charts every single day. I mentally traded. I could see a setup, and I would say to myself, this is where I enter. It's basically paper trading. And then I would enter mentally, and I would see the effect of that trade. I would see it being a losing trade or winning trade. And then just after that, I would see another opportunity and another one, realizing that there is not just one opportunity in the market. So for the whole month, I was just, mentally trading, watching the market. I didn't take a break from trading. I was still on the markets every single day. I was still in front of the charts every single day. But I did not click that sell or buy button. Just to teach myself and teach my mind that there is going to be an opportunity in the next couple of hours, next couple of minutes, and the next couple of days. And but if you constantly trade, if you just you're not waiting for your setup, you enter too early, or whatever the situation is, you will be losing your money. So over trading as well. I mean, do not spend your whole day in front of the market. You will look at a setup and you will look at the charts, and they're gonna start playing with your mind. You're gonna get tired. Your mind is gonna get tired, and that's also part of being, FOMO. The FOMO sets in with that as well. You're gonna start seeing things that is not there when you overtrade, and that is a big thing that you need to start controlling your life as well. That is why I have got this trading plan that I trade with. So basically, it's just a simple little Excel little sheet. You can go to my website and under the resource tab, and you can go download it for you, and you can use it if you would like. So basically, I've got just a normal starting balance that you type in. So let's make it a small amount. Let's say you start with $50, type in $50. And this is a compound trading plan, compound interest. So you want to grow your account by 5% a day on $50. So on day one, your target for the day is only $2.50. So let's say you made $2.60. Great. So it will tell you went 10 cents over for the week. The next day is $2.63. So let's say you made $3 and so forth. So it will tell you the next day you had a bad day, not a bad day, still a winning day, and you made $1. So it will tell you exactly that day you were $1.76 under, $1.23 under. The next day you did well again. So, and you go on. I've highlighted, or I made it for 30 days, 31 days. I mainly use this trading plan as well for my VIX, because that's the reason I've got 30 days in here. And so basically, when I trade, you can, or when you use this plan, you can just, you start off your day and you drill down. Let's say you just trade currencies. It's going to be a 20 trading day week or month for you. So let's say you wanted to grow your account by 5% on a $50. It sounds so minimal, but now you start off your first day and you trade until you hit $2.50. It's nothing. It looks so small, but when you've hit that target, stop trading for the day. That's done. Then tomorrow you will carry on. That will teach you not to overtrade, and tire your mind out of trading, and you carry on, do that. And by teaching yourself to trade like that, it will also let you wait for your setups. And then by, let's say, day 21, or let's say by day 20, you're sitting with $126. Let's make it 130, because you've now added a little bit extra. So let's say you're sitting with 130. So what you do is you pull out your 50, and then let's say the next month you start off with $80, also 5%. So now you start growing it. Now you start growing your account as well. So $80, now it's $4, and so forth. So you can see how the compound interest works. So on month 2, you've grown it up until $200 on a daily. These amounts are not big. You understand? So you can see that. And by the third month, you now withdraw $100 and you leave $100 in your account. Okay. So now you've taken some nice profits for the month. This is now growing small accounts as well. You can do big. You can up your percentage, whatever you feel comfortable with. So let's say on month 3, you start off with $100, 5% increase, or increments a day, or percentage increase a day. Then you end up with $250. So then you pull, let's say, another $100. So now you start with $150. So you can see how that grows, 155% a month. Then you end up with 380 basically, and so forth. At the end of the day, you start off account with $500, 5% a day. You will end up at $1,263. So doing this will teach you not to overtrade. You trade your plan. That's your trading plan. You stick by it, your daily target. You hit it and you stop trading. Do not look at the charts again. Do not look at the markets. Don't worry about there's going to be a setup maybe tonight or later this afternoon. If you hit that target in the morning, stop trading. Do not tire your mind out. Come back tomorrow with a fresh mind and start trading again. Simple little things. Just work on a trading strategy. Just stick to your strategy. Like let's take the pound dollar now. So let's say you traded the Fibonacci. So bam, from the high to the low, comes up 62%. You enter right there. This is here we go. You enter right there. Bam, you risk a bit. Great. You make your profits. $36, 36 pips. Depending on your lot size, bam. One setup, 1, 2, 3 hours, done for the day. You missed that? Don't worry about that. You missed that setup? Let's go for the next one. Okay, there, doof. From the high to the low, come up 62%. And again, hit it right there. Bam, you would have hit it 34 pips, 35 pips almost. See? And if you hit it this time, if you hit it in the morning, leave it. If you missed that, go for the second one. But guys, do not overtrade. Psychology is so important in trading, and use this trading plan. I'm telling you, you guys it's amazing how quickly your account will grow. And by looking back at the end of the month, if you start off with a small account, you look to this end of the month, and you're going to say to yourself, geez, I cannot believe that I grew my account with that amount. So that's, like I said, the example I gave you was just small little amounts, $50, 5% increase a day. It's nothing. Start off with that. Start teaching yourself how to just stick to your trading plan and to stick to your daily target and not overtrade. Do not let FOMO set in, the fear of missing out. Like you see, there's always an opportunity in the market, guys. So guys, this is all from me for the first video on the psychology on trading. I hope you enjoyed it. Press that like button. Comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this and this trading plan. And hit that notification bell and the subscribe button for more analysis coming your way this weekend. Guys, stay safe and happy trading.